Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cloudpark IT. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to install and configure NFS Server in CentOS 7. What is NFS? NFS is developed for sharing files and folders between Linux systems. NFS Server will allow you to share the files and folders with a remote system, and client system will be able to mount locally and see as their local file system. Here is the client server architecture of NFS. Here some of the advantages of NFS. It allows local access to remote files. With the help of NFS, we can configure centralized storage solution. User can access their data irrespective of their physical location. It can be secured using firewall. No manual refresh needed. These are some of the advantages of NFS. For installing and configuring, I am using Oracle VirtualBox with CentOS 7 installed as guest operating system. The server will have IP 192.168.1.2 and the client system will have IP 192.168.1.3. In server, we will first configure firewall. To do so, execute the following command: firewall-cmd -permanent -zone equal to public -add service equal to NFS, and same for rpcbind and same for mount t, and add a port 111/TCP, and same for 2049/TCP and 2049/UDP. Now reload the firewall configuration. Now list the firewall configuration. Now we will install NFS and rpcbind using m command. To do so, we will execute m command. M install nfs-utils space rpcbind. Now the files are downloading and installing. Now we will create a NFS share directory using mqdir command. Now we will open a file vi/etc/exports and enter these details: /nfs share space client IP, that is 192.168.1.3, and in bracket rw, c, no _root_squash, and close the bracket, save the file. In client system, we will execute command show mount -e 192.168.1.2, which is NFS server IP. The output will show a directory which has access to client system, in this case NFS share. In client system, create a directory /mnt/nfs share, which will be used as mount point for NFS share. Then execute a command mount -t nfs 192.168.1.2, that is server IP, colon /nfs share, that is share directory, space /md /nfs share, that is a local mount point. Now we can see the NFS is mounted. So you can check by using a mount command, mount, a pipe symbol, and grep NFS. So you can see the NFS share is mounted. Finally, we will check our NFS share. To do so, we'll create a file in the NFS share folder in client system. In server system, here the file is created. So our configuration is working. Thank you for watching this video.